mag-open kami ng Christmas gifts ngayong araw ng Pasko. That's the camera! It's a cotton candy maker! Good morning, everybody! Merry Christmas! So, it's gonna be our family tradition again. Mag-open kami ng Christmas gifts ngayong araw ng Pasko. So, ayan. Mag-start na kami with opening our Christmas gifts. So, sino mauna, Zoe? Okay, do you want to? Okay. So, si Zoe, nag-prepare siya ng mga gifts for all of us. Diba? So, sweet! Zoe, thank you very much! Thank you, Zoe! Aww, thank you very much! What's that, Sayan? What's that? What is that?
Over here.
Okay, I shall help you. Oh!
Oh!
Wow! What will you say to Ate Zoe?
Thank you, Ate.
Thank you,
Oh my
Ate. Yeah. How about your? Saan yung kay Zoe? Ay, eto, Yosh, wait. Okay. Okay ka na? Yeah. Okay, wait.
Oh my gosh!
Okay. She worked so hard for that, Daddy, just to find that. Ah! Thank you, Zoe! Wow! Oh, Kasha. Oh,
Yay!
thank you! Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Okay, Yasha's turn.
Yasha's turn.
Fourth gift. And
Sit down here, Sayan, sit down. Oops. Okay, that's actually from Daddy. Ito pa, Zoe, ito sa'yo. This one is from Daddy.
Wait, that's mine.
No, that's for XYZ, I think.
Sayan na.
Yeah, later na yan, later. Okay,
Sayan,
so-
later na lang to.
Okay.
Open it na. Yash.
Ayan.
Where's your no? What's your gift? Do you like it?
Ah!
Oh, it's an RC you can raise.
But that's
I'm
that.
not gonna use this because they're
Open it, sorry.
No, I bought batteries.
Also, it's already.
Be careful, it might fall.
The batteries.
That's the camera. It's so small, so it's like a keychain. Okay? Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wait, Josh, wait. Okay, so here. Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Dad. Josh, here's yours.
You know what?
Lego.
You know what's cool?
This is so heavy.
Here.
Why?
It's yours also. Okay?
So gift inside a gift.
Gift inside the gift.
Mommy, okay.
Okay.
I love this.
What's that? What's
It's a
that?
Mario Maker! Yeah! Mario Maker!
Oh, you open it. You open it,
You
Josh.
know, we can all
Open
race
it.
together.
Open it. What is it? Yeah. I told you, you can get the, no. Yeah, Dad has also.
Yes.
You're welcome. Yeah. See? Okay, there you go. And this is for Ate Connie. This is Zoe's.
Oh, yay! I can bring this.
Ito pala. No, actually, that's for Yosh pala.
Oh,
I'm so sorry. Ito yung sa'yo. Yes, that one. Can you give it to Sayon? Sayon here. Sorry. Sayon, here muna. You have good gifts here pa. More gifts. Yeah. Okay, sit down.
Take it or leave it. Yeah.
Okay, go.
Yes, sir.
What is this?
You know that, Josh? Huh? It's the bar that... it's yes!
I've seen this.
Like this one, Sayon. Okay?
This is so cute.
Alright, okay. Guys, here pa ha? Here pa.
I was wondering.
For X. Did you see the box na? The box so we...
I'm sorry, Mom, but I've been waiting.
Okay. Okay. So, did you see this one? So, the snowball? It's okay. You can actually share all your this one, so you can build a bigger Minecraft.
Gifts?
Yeah. Wait, ito pa. Here's the last one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is not. This is for Ate Connie na.
That's for Ate Connie. So cute. Oh my.
Later. Don't worry, Josh. Later, you're gonna have.
Bracelet maker.
Yes. Okay. Here's the last one.
Gosh, I can't.
Here's the last gift. Zoe, Josh, XYZ.
Okay, I'm sorry.
XYZ.
It's another box. This is so cute.
Here. Guys, be careful. Do not, let it fall, okay? It's very fragile.
Large thing. Ah. What is it? Okay.
What is that?
So it's a candy machine. What is this? It's a cotton candy. It's a cotton candy machine.
It's a cotton candy maker.
But do you have powder?
Yeah, it is.
Whoa.
It has inside. Here.
Yes, cotton candy. We can make cotton candy now.
You can create cotton candy.
I need to buy a reward.
Okay, there.
Hooray! All that money is gone. All
Okay.
that extra.
Yeah. Here. Here's the cotton candy.
I remember
There's the cotton candy maker, okay? So we have to ask Daddy to fix it, how to use it, okay? So tomorrow we're gonna create, or later when we get home, we'll create cotton candy. Okay.
All these. I'm gonna get all these.
Here's for Ate Connie. Ate Connie, yeah. Thank you very much. Awesome. And that's from Zoe. Ayan. At tapos ito ate for the kids. Eto, wag mo ibabagsak kasi babasagin yung mga ano. Eto na. Yosh, eto. Wow! Wow, sayang. Let's put it in the box. You want?
Oh wow!
Hey, watch.
I remember eating these powder. Why?
Ganda. There you go. What is science car? It's color. It's like a Mustang. Wait, Sayan, okay? Here's your.
Go.
Let daddy. Okay. Yeah. Yay! Merry Christmas! Can we greet all of them? Come on. Can we greet all of them? Guys! Let's give them Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Busi na sila. Bye everybody! Merry Christmas!